Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. First of all, before I start making or talking about today's dish, I really apologize for the bad audio that we had in the last couple video. So the reason that it's just been a little bit delay is we're just trying to fix that, and it was, believe me, it was very difficult to find what was the case. Now anyway, that's gone, and I hope that this one is going to be okay from now then. Now today our dish called Tahandaz Morgh, which means is a crispy chicken on the bottom of the pot with the rice on the top of it. So what we do is first we're going to marinate our chicken because it needs a little bit of time, put it away for 2 hours, then bring it back and start make the food. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, what we need to make this dish, I have here, this is going to be for 4 people, and I have 2.5 cups rice that I already washed it and soaked it in the water, salt water. I do have 2 legs and 2 thighs, which I cut them just to the pieces, and I did have 1 chicken breast, also I cut it in pieces, which the first thing we have to marinate that, and for doing that we need these kind of spices for marination. I have 1 onion, I have a little bit of the liquid saffron, about 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon chili pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon paprika. So if you don't like one of those, you can not add it or add something that you think you prefer. And some olive oil. For the start marinating our chicken, we are going to cut the onion like this. Okay, same here. All right, so you just try to just massage this to get a little bit of juice out, and before you put it in mixing it with our chicken. Now chicken is right here. The first thing that I do just add is spices that you're supposed to put and marinate with. All right. You can just adjust it with your taste. You can make it more or less. All right, so also the salt goes here too at the same time. Okay, as I said, this is all for marination. We might add a little bit salt and pepper when we're just trying to cook, if it needed. All right, next, before we put the onion, I put our saffron also. All right, and here is time for our onion. It's almost like you're making a chicken kebab, same kind of marination. All right, now it's the time to add our lime or lemon juice. And at the end, some olive oil. It should be about like 1/5 of the cup or so. That's good enough. All right, so as I said, we should cover this and put it in a refrigerator for about a couple hours. That's gonna work. We see you then. All right, it has been 2 hours that I put that in the fridge. Now is the time to just take the cover, and what we should do first, go and saute, actually, I don't know, say saute or just fry them a little bit. All right, what we have to do here first, just put this in a hot pan. I'm not gonna add any oil at this time right now because this was marinated with the oil. At the same time, I put a water here to start boiling. Then we gonna prepare our rice, just like making a rice in a half a way. Then drain the water. Then put it on the top of the chicken. Now, first we try to put the chicken down here. Try to get the onions off. While our chicken is cooking here, the water is boiling, so it's a time to add our rice into this and let it cook halfway. As I said, then we drain the water and we are going to add on the top of our chicken. All right, we're not going to let it cook all the way, so we just turn around. And I wish I had a little bit bigger pot, and seems it didn't work right now very well, but I'm pretty sure these are going to shrink and it's going to turn out to be all right. Okay, it's good enough right now. Just turn it off till I just drain the water here, then I come back to it. This is almost maybe a couple more minutes. The total from the starting, boiling, it's just like a 4 to 5 minutes. Then we are ready. So it's gonna be cooked. Is it already cooked halfway? Okay, it's ready. All right, you should wash this with the water to get the excess salt off and also the excess starch. All right, what I'm doing, just take some of this rice, and before I put the rest, and I just add a little bit of saffron and put it in a very bottom first. Now is the time to add some oil. This is a grape seeds oil. All right, and the rest of the saffron also. Okay, and here our rice goes here first. Right, to push it down. Now put the rest of the rice. All right, this goes back to oven top and turn on the heat. We should put it in a high heat for 8 to 10 minutes first, then reduce it to low for another 40 minutes or 35 more minutes. All right, so that makes our food in less than 45 minutes. All right, as you see, it's steam all over. So that's the time that we're gonna cover with the kitchen cloth. And before that, I like to add some butter and to make it much tastier at the end. But it's up to you if you want to put it or not, or more and less. It's up to you. All right. Now covering this. And there you go. Secure these, and now reduce to the medium low for another 15 minutes, and then make it lower to just make sure you're not gonna burn the chicken. When it's ready, we'll see each other. All right, it's the time for it. Let's see what it turns to be. Look delish. Okay guys, this is our food, Tahandaz chicken, Tahandaz Morgh, and to me it looks great and looks wonderful, and I'm pretty sure the taste is going to be great too. And I encourage everybody to make this, and I thank you again very much for your support. Till next time with another Persian dish. Bye.